You know, I thought I made videos of all the Christmas places already, but it seems to be that I was missing one. A good evening. I am in Rama 9, across the street from Fortune Town and in front of the Central Plaza Rama 9. And I am here, or I was in Fortune Town because I bought a new gimbal. I bought a DJI OM4, which I am actually gonna use to shoot the rest of this video. The reason why I bought it is because I did a couple of live streams lately, and yeah, when I walk around it's very shaky. And yesterday evening, Paul Rogers and Frank decided to donate a little bit of money so I could go ahead and buy myself a new gimbal. So that's what I did directly today. So I'm very happy for these donations, guys. And let me just change the gimbal and show you how it works. So this is my Zhiyun gimbal that I normally use, but this is the first time that I'm gonna use my DJI OSMO. So let's see how it goes. I am at Central Plaza Rama 9 now. So I think it looks already smooth. I will still be using my Zhiyun for my bicycle videos. You know, I'm not gonna change it for that, but I'm gonna use this DJI for when I wanna live stream. And the reason is because unfortunately the Zhiyun I cannot really use it good for live streaming because a part of the gimbal is always in front of the camera when I'm filming in a wide angle, which I normally do. So this looks pretty good, pretty nice. I'm very satisfied till now. Sawadee krap. Krap. Okay, so registered myself and here we are. I think I never showed Central Plaza Rama 9 before, so should be a first time. As you can see, the Christmas decorations are still on here. So, you know, I thought I made videos of all the Christmas places already, but it seems to be that I was missing one. Yeah, so today is the 3rd of January. Yesterday they started with a partial lockdown, which basically meant that all the bars, entertainment venues are closed, but restaurants can still be open, but are not allowed to sell alcohol. Okay, so Central Rama 9 is quite a big mall. It's next to the Rama 9 MRT station, also known as Paramkau. Not also known, the Thai name is basically Paramkau. And yeah, this is, we come here quite regularly because it's a very easy MRT ride to get here. So it's not very difficult. it's a typical central mall. I think the new gimbal is doing pretty well, and this one is going to be awesome for live streaming because I can really look into the screen and I can see everything, which is perfect. Normally when I'm on the bicycle I'm not looking in the screen anyway, so I like this gimbal. I'm happy with it. So, Paul and Frank, thank you so much for helping me a little bit with the donations. And I think from now on, my live streams are going to be of a much better quality. Yeah, cool. Now the thing is that I have two gimbals. I have two Zhiyun gimbals, and so yeah, I have one that I use on my bicycle, and the other one is like a handy model, like an easier to use. But unfortunately, I could really notice when I was doing the live streams that it was not very stable, and everybody was complaining that they felt like they were drunk. So let's get rid of that drunk feeling and let's do some cool streaming. Yeah, so I'm gonna upload this today, and yeah, let's see also tomorrow what's gonna happen with the lockdown. I did see that the malls that normally close at 10 are now gonna close at 9, but that's obviously not a very big issue. But yeah, yesterday with the live stream I could see that all the restaurants are open, but yeah, not allowed to sell alcohol. Supermarkets are open, can sell alcohol, no problem there. So yeah, I have to practice a little bit with this fella, and maybe I would even use it on the bicycle, but I'm not sure about that because I'm really used and comfortable with the other one. And you know, people, we are creatures of habit. I'm a little bit afraid that this one is too complicated for on the bike, because it has a lot of buttons that I can press on, and different modes that might not be so easy to use when I'm driving the bicycle, you know. But I will keep you guys informed about that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go all the way to the top floor of the mall, where there is a cinema. So me and Mirella were thinking about going to pick a movie today, because with the last lockdown all the movie theaters closed down as well. So this might be one of the last chances to pick a movie. The cinema is still open. Wonder Woman 1984, Soul, and the Horizon line. Monster Hunter, Detective Conan. Okay, let's just see. A small tip for anybody who is coming to Bangkok: every Wednesday is movie night or movie day, which means that the movies are on a special rate. And for example, here in SFX Cinema, the movie prices are 100 baht compared to normally 160 or 180. So that's a great offer. So what we do normally, we go on Wednesdays, we go to the movies. So okay, again, Paul and Frank, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it, and you guys keep me alive. No, I'm just kidding, man. But no, I really appreciate the gesture. Really, really cool. And you guys made my whole setup a little bit more professional. So thanks for that. And yeah, let's say like this: if you guys enjoyed this video, then feel free to subscribe and press the like button, and see you guys in my next video.